Oh man, it's Friday, man. Sucks. Snowstorm, blizzards. I'm just getting out of rehab, man. I gotta go back to this raggedy old job. I'm about to call off today. Let me figure out something to tell them, some excuse.
Hello, Motor City Ballet.
Hey, how you doing? I wanted to call off for the day. I had some car issues and everything, and so I ain't gonna be able to make it in. It's Goodson.
Goodson.
Yeah.
You got fired back in 2022 on your day off.
What? No, the rehab told me I still got a job.
You can reapply.
Reapply? They told me I was good. Y'all the one sent me to rehab. How y'all gonna fire me on my day off? What the hell? Oh man, that's so disloyal. All right, well I ain't coming in today anyway. All right, I'll figure it out. Man, it's all good though. This ain't the first time I got fired on my day off. Oh, I might as well just go back in the house. What the hell? I'm all rushing out, about to get to work for nothing.